Hello, beautiful babes. Your girl, Sweet Angel. Man, have I got a good one today. Yes,
I absolutely do. First is starting with an apple. Just peeling this apple, getting it all cut up. I wish I could cut this fast, but girl, you know I got it exponentially sped up for sure. And then I'm grabbing the other ingredients. Apples, number one. Then we're using yogurt, Greek yogurt, and argan oil. Now let me tell you about my magic bullet. I think it's on its last leg, y'all, but I'm gonna work it today the best I can. Taking in a spoonful of yogurt and a spoonful of argan oil, we're gonna whip it up in this broke down magic bullet. We gotta turn it all kind of ways for it to do the thing, but it did the thing, and here we go. Woo! Yes. And there we are with this amazing anti-wrinkle mask with apple, argan oil, and yogurt. Very good, amazing benefits of it. Now, before I get started with this mask, y'all know I have to do one special thing, and that's to open these pores up. And I'm doing that by using my facial steamer. It's broke down too, but we're working on that as well. Once I finish that, I just pat my face dry, and now it's time to do a little derma rolling. This is going to help rejuvenate my skin even more and help this amazing mask penetrate into the skin to work its magic. Now, any of the products I'm using, you know, you can check it out on my Amazon store. Check out the link below. Now let's apply this amazing anti-wrinkle mask. Y'all, this anti-wrinkle mask, which includes apple and argan oil plus some yogurt. If you're looking for a miraculous anti-wrinkle mask, this is the one for you. As you should know, the apple is rich in antioxidants, lightens brown spots, and regenerates the skin. The argan oil, on the other hand, is a powerful anti-wrinkle oil. It is indeed. And you know the yogurt with its lactic acid is going to do its wonders by smoothing the skin and giving you some moisture, unbelievable moisture. And once I grated that apple, mixed in a spoonful of argan oil, a spoonful of the yogurt, yes, applying it to the face is a breeze. Just simply apply it on, and y'all, very generously, do it very generously. It is doing its magic even while you're applying it. Just work it into the skin. I'm using a brush, but you can use an old makeup brush and do this with. And it is so nice. And y'all, it smells good too. It smells so good. So after I have applied the mask, yes, I have this amount left. It may keep in the fridge a few days, maybe, but you know it's going to turn brown with that apple in there, so it's best to do it all over again. Leave this mask on for about 30 minutes and then rinse with warm water. That's all you have to do is rinse with warm water and pat dry, and you're ready. You really don't need to use any kind of cream or moisturizer because the oil will leave your skin soft and hydrated. But if you do, just grab a little bit of what I call wonder oil. Is just grab a little bit more of that wonder oil, argan oil, and put it on your face. That'll help to even further lock in the moisture. I'm loving it, girl. Look at the skin. Look 20 years younger. Absolutely. With this you will. An anti-wrinkle mask with apple, argan oil, and yogurt. You're going to love it. And yes, say you got it right here at Beauty by Sweet Angel. And beautiful babes, listen, don't you dare keep me a secret. Y'all need to be telling somebody where you're hanging out at. Make sure you drop a like on the video. Comment if you have a comment. If you don't, drop me some hearts. And beautiful babes, if you have not subscribed, do that right now. And please share me with your world. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.